Hi everyone, I hope you're well. This is CoinsKid. Just going over to XRP once again. Thank you for support. Okay, big on CoinsKid crew. So at the moment, XRP is looking okay. One thing we're doing here, I just want to say thank you for all the support over the past week, because obviously I've been in hospital and I had the operation and everything. I just want to say thank you for the nice warm messages, and on the videos and equally on Twitter as well. So I've been updating you as best I can on Twitter. Obviously trying to ride the waves up and down. Not always going to get it right, but there's been some beautiful opportunities to go long and short on lots of different coins. Okay, so right here XRP is looking okay, because one thing we have to respect is the data. Okay, data, not emotion. I know a lot of people here was anticipating us to break this high, but I was looking at some kind of correction in there, some kind of wave forward correction, which I think we're in right now, providing we can hold all the support. Now the primary support for this correction, in my opinion, is this low. Okay, we don't want to see this low that we put in way back there in March. I think that's your uptrend bull market structure support. Basically lose that is bearish, but equally you can see if you do lose that, you'll be falling out the weekly Gaussian anyway, so that's quite a negative statement from XRP. I think if we do begin to break down and close below all that level of support, then I would think about your position XRP, because it could actually indicate that we're going to go lower than this low down here and much lower than this low down here, basically, for XRP. So again, I can't guarantee anything. It's all about support and resistance, but right now I have to respect the data, and so far so good. Impulsive, corrective, impulsive, and I think that this leg here is still a correction. Now this is either some kind of ABC zigzag that does something like that and then goes, or it's some kind of flat correction, which it absolutely could be, because this was a zigzag here, so we could be looking at some kind of flat alternation right now. So I was looking at a scenario the other day with you that this could actually be some kind of flat correction, some kind of ascending triangle here for XRP, some kind of A, some kind of B, some kind of C, and then we start to come back up and break this resistance. In time, if we take out this resistance here, I think that's a really, really bullish statement from XRP, and it could lead to a massive move. Okay, now where would that move go to? Like I said to you, I think I've shown you before, but I'll be looking at least a 1618. Okay, at least 1618, around about 08231, which lines up with this level of resistance just there. Okay, so you can clearly see, I think in the charts just there, we've got this massive leg just there we've retraced to, haven't we? And I think we're coiling up, and the next break will see it's at least come to this low here, which is around about the 1.414. But I think XRP will run above that, to be honest with you. Now it's very, very similar projection to what I was telling family and friends way back here. Okay, I remember all of this really well, but what we did here was really, really bullish. We broke through all the resistance just here, started to get back above the 20, pretty much like we're doing right now, ran into the top end of the Gaussian just there, came back and held the 20 and the median line of the Gaussian, and that's exactly what we're doing right now. Okay, so we're sort of in this same position right here. So what's the bullish thing that XRP is doing? If you take a look at this level here, the weekly 20 EMA pierced the median line of the Gaussian, and right now we've pierced the median line of the Gaussian, so technically we could be roughly somewhere like that for XRP. We sort of come down, hold support, consolidate, begin to come back up, create this sort of ascending triangle like this, get compressed, and then break to the upside. Okay, and we could be looking at an explosive move here for XRP. So this is why, I was out with my friend last night and we're talking, and he's a Bitcoin maxi, and he's actually begun to buy XRP because he says it looks really pumpy. So yeah, if we can hold this support just there, then I think XRP is gearing up for a really, really big move. It doesn't mean we can't sort of flash crash down here to this level, grab some liquidity, and then begin to come back up. It's all about the closes. Okay, remember, look at this wick here. As long as you're closing above all this key level of support right now, technically XRP is looking really, really bullish. And this little break here, this move from the weekly 20 EMA piercing the Gaussian, okay, you can clearly see never pierced it, never pierced it, never pierced it, pierced it, bullish. Okay, and we've been under it ever since, piercing it, piercing it, piercing it, piercing it, piercing it, bullish, basically. So we could be in for a massive move. Now why am I sort of forecasting the 1618 a minimal target? Because this is exactly what I was looking at from this low here to this high. This is the area of resistance I was giving to family and friends, and that was just a really good area to swing trade and take profit on XRP after it broke the high. Okay, so it's a very similar situation from here, from this low to this high, this last impulsive move to the downside. The 1618 sits at around about 0.82313, and that would be a massive move for XRP. So from here right now, if you're accumulating XRP, you could be looking at a massive move around about 76% going forward. So I wish everyone the utmost luck. Okay, so like I said to you, I've begun to dollar cost average into this pullback because at the moment technically you're looking to hold support, so we're looking to stay above the median line of the Gaussian, above the weekly 20 EMA as well. I think a really, really bearish statement would be losing this low just there for XRP, which is roughly this level here. Okay, lose that, then I'll jump ship basically on XRP, because you're losing bullish structure right there. It really is that simple. Okay, and equally you can see you're falling out of the Gaussian. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed that update. Right now I'm just accumulating XRP, looking to load a breakout to roughly 82 cents in the future. Good luck everybody, wish everyone the most luck, and thank you for support. Okay, take care everyone, bye bye.